Today I'm going to show you exactly how to write bold and italic text in your Telegram messages using the easiest built-in tools available. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make your texts really stand out, whether you're chatting with friends or updating a group, without needing any confusing symbols or remembering special codes. Let's get right to it. First, I'll walk you through formatting text using the Telegram app on your Android or iPhone. This method is perfect if you prefer always seeing what you're doing, step by step, instead of typing out special markdown symbols. Start by opening Telegram and typing your message just like you normally would. Now, let's say you want to highlight a specific word or phrase. Maybe you want to make an announcement bold or gently emphasize something in italics. With your finished text in the message field, tap and hold on the word or section you want to format. You'll see the text is now highlighted with selection handles at each end. Take your time positioning these handles so they cover exactly what you want to format. Once you've selected the right portion, give it a tap. On Android, a small menu should pop up right above your selected text. On iOS, you might see a format option in the menu that appears. You're looking for either the BI icon, which stands for bold italic, or sometimes it's tucked under a three-dot menu, especially on Android. Don't worry if you don't see it right away, just look for those three little dots or the word format and tap that. Now you're presented with formatting options. Choose either bold if you want your text strong and attention-grabbing, or italic for a subtler, slanted look that's perfect for asides or gentle emphasis. The moment you select one, you'll notice the text changes appearance right there in your message box, so you can double-check how it'll look before sending. It's a lot like highlighting a word in a Word document and making it bold or italics. This live preview is so helpful to avoid any mix-ups, but what if you're using Telegram on your desktop or laptop? Luckily, the process is just as simple there, and it feels a lot like editing a document on your computer, so it'll be super familiar. Start by typing out your message as usual. Then with your mouse, click and drag to highlight the part of your text that needs formatting. Once highlighted, right-click over the selection. This brings up a context menu, no need to memorize anything here. Hover your cursor over the formatting option in this menu, and you'll see more choices pop out, including bold and italic. Simply click the one you want, and you'll see the change right away in your message draft. These methods mean you can easily format your Telegram messages without ever needing to remember all those sneaky underscores or asterisks. Just tap, select, and send. It's really that straightforward. If you run into any hiccups, like not seeing the formatting options immediately, try updating your app or checking if you're holding your finger or mouse down long enough for the menu to appear. Don't worry if it feels a little fiddly at first. After practicing this a few times, it'll become second nature. And that's all there is to making your Telegram text bold or italic using the in-app menus. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, and if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments. I read every one. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.